Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Let's discuss about a topic, protozoans. Protozoans are a group of organisms placed in Protista kingdom by R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker proposed 5 kingdom classification. In that Protista it is second kingdom. Protozoans are placed in second kingdom, that is the Protista kingdom. We'll discuss about introduction about Protista kingdom. First, Antony von Leeuwenhoek, scientist, first time he observed Verticella protozoan. First person observed under microscope, that is protozoans. The scientist name Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Scientist the first observed a protozoan. The name of that protozoan Verticella. Verticella belongs to protozoan. Antony von Leeuwenhoek, whenever he observed under microscope, these microbes, they are moving from one place to another because of locomotory organs, because of their mobility or motility or movement. For those organisms, for those microbes, Antony von Leeuwenhoek, he gave one particular term that is known as animalcules. This term given by Antony von Leeuwenhoek because of their movement. Goldfuss, scientist, coined the word for this animalcules, protozoa word. A scientist, Goldfuss, he coined the word, that is a protozoa. Animalcules word coined by Antony von Leeuwenhoek. For those organisms, for these microbes, Goldfuss, scientists coined the word, that is protozoa. At present, whatever group, that is protozoa group we are using, that word it is coined by Goldfuss. All protozoans, not only one protozoan, all protozoans are heterotrophs. They cannot prepare their own food. Not only one single organism. Whatever microbes placed in protozoa group by R.H. Whittaker, all those are organisms are heterotrophs. Based on the nutrition, again there are some predators are there, parasites are there. They are heterotrophs only. Predators, they kill other small minute microscopic organisms as a food. Some parasites also there. All types of organisms are there. Some predators are there. Some parasites also there. Parasite, it causes disease. Two kinds of heterotrophs are there in the protozoa group. Protozoans, scientists, they believed as primitive relatives of the animals. All protozoans are broadly divided into 4 different groups. They are divided into mainly based on the locomotion and based on some specific characters. Scientists classified 4 groups. The first group of protozoan, that is amoeboid protozoans. Second group of organisms, flagellated protozoans. Third group of protozoans, ciliated protozoans. Fourth group of organisms are called sporozoans. All these are 4 different kinds of organisms are placed in Protozoa group that belongs to Protista kingdom. First group of organisms, amoeboid protozoans. Amoeboid protozoans habitat. They can live in different habitats. Once you will see the habitat of these organisms can live in fresh water and as well as sea water, that is salty water, marine water. Some protozoans, especially that amoeboid protozoans, also they can live in moist soil. Amoeboid protozoans, they develops pseudopodia or false feet to capture the food particles. Some amoeboid protozoans, once you will see here, this is amoeboid protozoan. This amoeboid protozoan, it develops a false feet. This is called pseudopodium. This is otherwise known as a false feet. With the help of pseudopodia or false feet, it captures the food particles. This is amoeboid protozoan. How it takes the food particles from outside. Around the food particles, these pseudopodia extend and like this end circles and it captures the food particle. Pseudopodium, the singular, whereas pseudopodia, plural. The false feet like structures developed from amoeboid protozoans. So example where you can see like this pseudopodia development, clearly you can observe in amoeba. It is a unicellular eukaryotic organism, belongs to amoeboid protozoans. In addition that here you can observe silica shells around marine protozoans. Marine organisms, whatever belongs to amoeboid protozoans, entire that organism covered with a silica shell. Like this protecting structures will be there, silica shells. So silica shells, it's very hard chemical that is found around the organism, especially that silica shell where you can observe in marine forms. Some amoeboid protozoans, parasitic forms are there. They causes diseases. Now parasitic amoeboid protozoan, parasitic form, whatever placed in amoeboid protozoan, parasitic form, one well-known example is there, that is Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica, it is well-known parasitic organism, belongs to amoeboid protozoan. Entamoeba histolytica, it belongs to amoeboid protozoan. It causes a disease in human beings. The disease name known as amoebiasis. This is otherwise known as entamoebiasis, also known as amoebic dysentery. This disease caused in human beings because of Entamoeba histolytica. It is a well-known parasitic protozoan that belongs to amoeboid protozoans. Second group of organisms that belongs to protozoan, that is a flagellated protozoan. Once you will see the flagellated protozoans, either free living or parasites. So here some are free living and some flagellated protozoans, they are parasites. Parasitic forms are there some free living flagellated protozoans also there. Flagellated protozoans locomotory organs are flagella. Flagella, these are long hair-like structures. They are useful for locomotion. Well-known parasitic form, that is Trypanosoma gambians. It is a well-known example that is parasitic form. Trypanosoma gambiense or Trypanosoma gambians. This parasite causes African sleeping sickness disease. This disease caused by Trypanosoma gambians that belongs to flagellated protozoan. This disease, it will spread from one individual to another individual because of a insect, that is CC fly, that genus Glossina genus. This CC fly, whenever it bites disease affected person to healthy person, automatically that parasite, it enters from disease affected person to healthy person. This disease usually can be seen in especially rural Africa. Third group of organisms, ciliated protozoans. Once you will observe, third group of organisms, ciliated protozoans. You can understand that locomotory organ of ciliated protozoans, cilia. Ciliated protozoans, mostly they prefer to live in aquatic habitat. The ciliated protozoans, their locomotory organs, that is cilia. Cilia, locomotory organs of ciliated protozoans, but whereas flagella, locomotory organs of flagellated protozoans. Once you will see the well-known example for this ciliated protozoans, that is a Paramecium. Paramecium, it is a well-known example for ciliated protozoan. Paramecium, it looks like slipper shape. That's why that is otherwise known as slipper animalcule. The Paramecium, it has thousands of cilia around flexible layer, that is pellicle. Entire Paramecium, it consists or it is surrounded by a lipoprotein layer, that is pellicle. So you can observe many cilia, thousands of cilia found total entire around this Paramecium. Food particles enters into the cytoplasm of the Paramecium through gullet. It is a cavity. That cavity helps to taking up the food particles from surrounding. But cilia, thousands of cilia, they move a systematic, a coordinated manner that helps to locomotion. Last group of organisms that belongs to protozoa group, sporozoans. Sporozoans are last group of protozoans. Sporozoans, they have spore-like infectious stage. Spore-like infectious stage you can observe in some microbes that belongs to protozoa group. Whatever protozoan have spore-like infectious stage, the type of organisms are placed in sporozoans. Sporozoans, the well-known example, that is Plasmodium. Plasmodium, it is a parasitic sporozoan. It is a parasite. This Plasmodium, it is otherwise known as malarial parasite, because malaria fever or malaria, that is caused by, that is the Plasmodium. Plasmodium, there are different species are there, but different species causes malaria fever. So malarial parasite species names are Plasmodium species. There are many species are there. Among them, we'll discuss few species which causes malaria. What are those species? First, Plasmodium vivax. Next, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum. Like this, different varieties of species are there that belongs to genus Plasmodium. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum. All these species of Plasmodium, they causes malaria. It is a well-known disease. This parasite, it completes its life cycle in 2 hosts. Malarial parasite completes life cycle in 2 hosts. The first is the man or human being. Another host, that is mosquito. That mosquito name, female Anopheles mosquito. This female Anopheles mosquito, whenever bites malarial patient, so that same Anopheles mosquito, whenever it bites to healthy person, automatic parasitic forms enters into the healthy person. That person also after few days exhibits the symptoms of malaria.